container Spanish cabotage. Many ship owners have used Cyprus, Malta, Madeira flags because they have really flexible and tax terms and conditions for seafarers, for endorsements of different nationalities. Of course, out of those, Cyprus is one of the best, and Candina has also got the IMEC membership to have us with Panama employer IBF agreements. But if we think about alternative disruptive solutions today, ESG, corporate social responsible, transparency, there is 300 Spanish cadets today. We could really employ them and generate a long-term talent retention for your good company. You have about 300 container ships trading around Spain doing cabotage. Why? Because we have a 2-1 retirement ratio, which is one of the biggest competitive advantages of the Spanish flag. So if a captain is on board 12.5 years and has a ratio of 1:1, then he's employed 25 years and accounts as if I or any other employer ashore is 50. So they have a ratio of 2:1 for retirement, and this is the biggest competitive advantage aside from a 50% income tax. Perhaps it's not so important for the top or the middle crew, which also accounts for. But also, if we talk, let's say, an AB 2,700 euros all in, and the bracket of tax, let's say it was like 12%. Now under the Spanish flag, it is like if they did get, let's say, 2,700 times 8 months, that is equals to 21,000 euros. Then if they have a bracket of 10,000, 50% reduction in income tax, they pay 0 income tax. So it's very competitive, and they have the full advantage of social security for the family members, sanitary assistance, retirement with the reduction I mentioned. And so it's very competitive, the Spanish flag for the Spanish fish. If you want to put English, then you have to pay more. How much? Well, it's up to you. But today, I think it's a question of investing the talent and pay less. That really is a huge competitive advantage. Keep the Spanish language, hola, and perhaps the top guys for these technical management issues. Yes, you can have English, no problem. The top 4 officers, they do have very good English. So think about this solution, because the inflation, the cost of the travel, and the jet fuel cost will make the reliefs of the ASEANs or other non-Europeans in Spain very uncompetitive. But the question is, can we really invest in the local crew? And now that there's going to be 500,000 new Spanish in May, and out of which 3,000 seafarers, well, the government doesn't know, you know, but can we really try to get, let's say, 300 ships, cabotage container ships around Spain? Of course, yes. Why don't you start first, ship owner, first hit, competitive advantage. Thank you. Bye.